looking to get some data off your phone or digital device, an iPad or Android, whatever, and you want to put it onto your computer a little quicker than just through Wi-Fi, you definitely want to check out the BLANKBOK USB. I use this myself to get videos, pictures like the one I'm doing, or other videos, or just things on my phone that they're taking up a lot of space and it takes a long time to transfer to Google Drive or to Dropbox or something. I wanted to get something that's a little faster and won't, the phone won't be doing it for like 45 minutes or a really long time. I use this and it's been great. So what it does is you connect this part to your phone, right? You plug it into, let's pretend this was the phone, you plug it in, and then you also need a app. So you have to download the app for this. It won't work without the app. So I tried to do it without the app and I was like, what do I do? So you get the app, you install it, you plug this in, and then on the app, it'll show you your phone's memory and the memory of this, which is 128 gigabytes, right? So then when you transfer everything to this, it'll move everything over, and then you plug into your computer with this end, the USB, and then you transfer it to your computer. So it saves you a lot of time. If you have gigabytes and gigabytes of stuff on your phone, you just want to like clean it up, or any device, whatever that this will connect to. Highly recommend this. So this is what the box looks like. It's a very nice little box. This is the back. It gives you the specifications of this there. So you can also close it like this. So it has it on one end, or you can flip it like that to the other end. And that comes inside the box, and it also comes with this little, packaging. It's like a little instruction manual. Open it up. Yeah, so it has a little instructions, all of that. I honestly didn't really use it, but also comes with this. This is another port you can use. Yeah, I honestly have not used this, but I just mainly used the USB. So yeah, and this is the little packaging. So it's very nice, comes in a nice little box, and it's been super helpful to help me get stuff off my phone. So yeah, so hope you enjoy it.